Hi, I'm Dirk Beamer with Wright Beamer Attorneys, here to discuss paid work breaks for smokers. Today, it's unlawful to smoke in most public buildings in Michigan and in many other states. By law, employers are not required to provide work breaks as long as the employer compensates its employees for any hours worked over 40 hours a week. So, in general, an employer is not required to offer smoke breaks. If an employer does provide breaks, the employer generally cannot dock pay for breaks that are less than 20 minutes. Although some exceptions may apply, the general rule is this: permitted breaks of 20 minutes or less are with pay. For a break to be without pay, it should be greater than 20 minutes. And during an unpaid break, it's important that the employee is completely relieved of duties. At Wright Beamer, we're business lawyers for business people, keeping you in the know. For assistance with your business, call us at 248-477-6300 or visit wrightbeamer.com.